Washington DC. So that's how it works. So under Ethereum blockchain, there are certain coins, there are other coins, other people, other projects who have built their coin in that street, in that blockchain, Ethereum. Then there's also another blockchain, the Binance Smart Chain. That's what's called BSC. It's created around BNB, which is the Binance coin. So BSC is also a blockchain. Other projects they've come up with that, like there's Doge, there is what else was on BSC again? So many coins. There is what's this? CDFI Finance. There is Cells. There's so many thousands of coins are on the Binance Smart Chain network. There's also Phantom. Phantom also has its own blockchain. Other coins they build their projects in the Phantom blockchain. And now you may ask yourself and say, okay, what blockchain am I supposed to invest in? Now, the major coins of those blockchains are called Layer 1. Layer 1. They're called Layer 1s because they are the foundational layers of the blockchain. They have their own blockchain. So, Phantom is a Layer 1 coin because it has a Phantom ecosystem, a Phantom blockchain. BNB is a Layer 1 coin because it has its own BSC network, Binance BSC ecosystem, BSC blockchain. Ethereum is a Layer 1 coin because it has its own ecosystem, it has its own network, it has its own all of that. Solana is a Layer 1 coin because it has its own network, and there are other coins that build on them. Does this make sense? Now, Layer 1 coins tend to do well more than the average coins because there is greater demand for it. Like everything, demand and supply pushes value. So because there's a greater demand, because any other coin that is building on that blockchain, remember, coins cannot just stay on their own. They either choose to build a blockchain or they join a blockchain. So any coin that joins that blockchain will use the major coin of that chain as to pay fees. When you are sending the coin, you use that major coin to pay fees. So if I'm sending an Ethereum coin, a coin on the Ethereum blockchain, what will I use for fees? Ethereum. If I'm sending a coin on the Phantom blockchain, what will I use for fees? Phantom. If I'm sending a coin on the Bitcoin blockchain, what will I use for fees? There's no coin on the Bitcoin blockchain. Bitcoin is the only coin on its own blockchain. All right. Okay. That's about blockchain. I think we've got the basic understanding of how it works. So let's go down again. Okay. You can read all of this. Other examples of cryptocurrency, you can read it now. Categorically stated, now we've understood what it is. Now you can now classify various coins under various categories. Some of these categories include, not like now you can classify them based on what they do. We call these things use case. And you see this now, Avalanche ecosystem, talking about Avalanche blockchain. But the first is meme coins. We also call them shit coins. Now, coins are cryptocurrencies. Most coins, they are created to solve a problem in the cryptocurrency world. Now, the bigger the problem, the more the possibility of these coins doing well. Does that make sense? The more the possibility of these coins doing well. So when you look for the problem that the coin is trying to solve, and you see that the problem is a big enough problem, there's a big possibility of that coin to grow. But meme coins, like, you know what memes are now? Everybody has people on their status that post memes. Some of us probably post meme. I know Favy does. Meme coins, they basically have no use. They are just a fine picture of a coin, and they are usually the ones with many supply. At least everybody must have heard of SafeMoon, must have heard of Freecoin, must have heard of FEG, Shiba Inu, Doge. They are meme coins. They don't have use. It sounds stupid, right? That people will buy a coin that doesn't have use, but that's just how life works. People buy. Personally, I don't like meme coins because I know it doesn't have use. and so it dumps, and many of them rogues. What does rogue mean? Liquidity is removed. I'll explain what that means. Let me not confuse you now. So moving forward, we also talked about there's metaverse, smart contract platform. These are not really very well arranged, but coins can be categorized according to their use. So coins that are used in the metaverse, or they are building something around the metaverse, we can call them metaverse coins. So smart contract platform are those that are used for smart contracts, Ethereum and BSC. So this Avalanche, Polygon, which other one is there? Solana. They are all blockchains. They are blockchains. Then decentralized fine. Wow. Okay, this person they arrange this PDF as nice, but when I was reading it carries all the basics, so we're using it basically. But you can read all of this. You can read all of this. So going on to network of coins, this is exactly what I explained. Okay, let's continue. So talked about network of coins. That's what I meant by blockchains. So there are various blockchains. Most common blockchains, ERC20, that's just another name for Ethereum blockchain. BEP20, that's another name for BSC blockchain, Binance Smart Chain blockchain. Solana, I've talked about that. Algorand, that's just another one. And I've explained what blockchains are. So storing cryptocurrencies are basically stored in wallets. They're basically stored in crypto wallets. You know that. And now there are two types of wallets. First of all, there are two categories. There's the hardware ledger. Hardware, it looks like a USB drive. You can keep it. It's called a cold wallet. And there's the hot wallets that you can use for normal day-to-day transactions. For example, your Trust wallet and all the rest. Now, those hot wallets are divided into two. They're divided into centralized wallets and decentralized wallets. Centralized wallets are called CEX, C-E-X. Decentralized wallets are called decentralized wallets. So, example of this. Now, the difference between the two of them is that for decentralized wallets, you own your key, the keys of your wallet. Keys of your wallet are like the access of your wallet. They are usually 12 or 24 words. These 12 or 24 words, they are combined uniquely. And if you use them, you can access your wallet. But in a centralized exchange, you don't own the keys to that wallet. You log in, you create a profile, and they give you a wallet. But they can also choose to seize your coin if they feel you did something fishy, suspend deposit, suspend withdrawal, and tie your hands. So that's basically it.